Hello everyone, welcome back to Technology Moments and back to networking and specifically to enterprise solutions and support for large infrastructures. We'd like to show you today the experience that we had with this 6-port Ethernet card from LR-Link featuring 6 GB Ethernet ports full of features designed for the enterprise server where having separate high-performance adapters as needed. Based on Intel's i350 chipset, this network adapter can offer many alternatives for servers running various operating systems, and where network teaming, network virtualization, bridging, firewall solutions, and many more can benefit from its design and functionality. What you get in the box, by the way, very well packaged and protected, is the network card itself, instructions and warranty card that of course you don't need to worry about if you don't get them in English, as you'll find the documentation in the manufacturer's webpage in several languages. The card is very well labeled, so you'll be able to identify them very easily. We were very quickly able to install it and have it working in no time in Windows Server 2022. Also, Windows 10 installs the drivers without any problem. From enthusiasts to network administrators running 1, 2, 5 or 10 virtual machines, this type of cards can help deploy many solutions where access to separate networks from the same machine may be needed, especially in those scenarios where each server is assigned a role for which access to different network environments is needed. Connection teaming for performance may also be a very easy option to deploy using these cards, and considering how useful such technology is not only in terms of bandwidth assigned to each server, but also the redundancy it provides in terms of connectivity, we've seen these solutions installed where networking access to any given premises of the company is critical, one connection acting as backup for the other one. That being said, it is very important when planning such deployments to also plan wiring runs, having them go through very different parts of the building or grounds, and in my particular experience, that has demonstrated to be worth every penny you invest in infrastructure. It may not be acceptable if some network segments are down due to any physical damage to the medium of communication that you choose to use. When using virtual servers, each individual server may need access not only to virtual networks, but also be able to access different physical networks for which added security may play an important role. Right here is where having several of these network adapters added to your virtual server farm may also help you have more control over your infrastructure, either if they have simple services or roles associated with them, or if they are important hardware playing a more significant role. For each specific situation, one or more of these cards may be needed. It is also invaluable to have networking resources like this one in servers that are in charge of managing security, so you might also consider it for such deployments. You can route through its interfaces as you please and manage security through your preferred firewall. If you're considering to buy one of these extraordinary cards, we'll leave you the links in the description, as well as links to other materials we've recently published regarding high-speed networking, where we've explored 10 and 25 gigabit per second for small and medium-sized businesses. They are also incredibly easy to implement. As for this specific adapter, if you continue to watch this video published, our experience continues to be great. Remember that you incredibly support us by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time.